Are you searching for the best foldable keyboard? If yes, then here is a list of the top 5 best foldable keyboards for you. These are efficiently designed to withstand everyday usage and take up minimal space when not in use. Moreover, these are available at the most affordable prices so that you don't feel bad about spending your money on them. Let's check out the detailed review of these products. Before we start our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our channel. By the way, links to all of the products are included in the description box below. So let's get started. Coming at number 5. Guy's Foldable Keyboard. This wireless keyboard is not only a great gadget but also a wonderful gift. With the stylish aluminum alloy shell and a built-in stand, you can fold it conveniently and then use it anywhere. It can be used to operate your devices, such as iPad, iPhone, and Samsung Galaxy. And the best thing is that the keyboard has a long battery life of up to 13 hours, it won't drain out its power in a short time. Number 4 on our list is Sungwoo Foldable Silicone Keyboard. Designed with the ergonomic user in mind, the silicone keyboard is lightweight, foldable, and comfortable to hold. It's ideal for business travelers, students, and people who like to carry their laptops everywhere. It's a great way to keep your device in pristine condition and provide an elegant style. It's designed with silicone gel that is odorless, tasteless, and waterproof. So it's comfortable for your daily use. Coming at number 3. iClever Bluetooth Keyboard. This keyboard is a Bluetooth keyboard with a 3-color backlit. It has a tri-folding design and the keys are fully standard size. The keyboard has dual wireless modes and you can connect it with a wireless device and a PC via a single USB cable so that you can use the keyboard and mobile device conveniently. It can provide a stable wireless connection and quick response in operating range of 33 feet, which makes your life more enjoyable. Number 2 in our list is Samsur's Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Get your laptop connected and comfortable with the Samsur's Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. This device allows you to work anywhere, anytime. This device is small and lightweight, making it convenient to carry around. This device pairs quickly and automatically with your devices when you turn on the Bluetooth on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Finally, the number 1. Samsur's Dual Mode Wireless Keyboard. With a foldable keyboard and a dual mode Bluetooth receiver, this keyboard will take your productivity to the next level. It features an extremely thin profile that allows you to fold it up and store it in your pocket or bag without taking up too much space. It can connect up to 3 devices at the same time and supports seamless switching between devices. The included stand holder is suitable for most tablets and mobile devices, providing you with a perfect screen angle and the most comfortable typing position. With a comfortable and accurate touchpad, you can use the keyboard as a normal computer keyboard. That's it for today, guys. These are the top 5 best foldable keyboards for you. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.